to play Country Market. And also, I'm going to have a play in my room too. Okay? I'll show you that part after this part. Okay. What was that? Okay, I'll put it. Now. Now, see my room is a bit messy, but I'm sure I packed it up a little bit. I just put it in a pile like this in the room, but I think...
How about Tarantella? Do you want to play Tarantella?
Of course.
Okay.
Tarantella. Now, it's written in the list here. That's it.
What's a tarantella, by the way?
The tarantella is tarantella. It says here, play RH.
Right hand. RH is right hand.
Right hand and left hand. Then practice bears 3 to 4 HT.
Hands together.
Yeah. Have a go at playing the whole piece hands together.
Wow. Do you know how to play it?
Just on this part.
Okay.
On this part, we can't play it because this is a bit.
Okay.
And
that is a tarantella.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go.
Play tarantella. Here we go. Okay. Now, remember, it's going to be in the me to la. Here is the line. Remember, the lines needs to be a little like that, okay? Then I'll go by here. Now, that's the whole bar. Now, I'm going by here. So, just left hand. Now, that's another one. Now, can I just... Now, look what I did. It's a present house.
It's a what?
It's a present house.
A prison house.
Present house.
A present house.
Yeah.
What's a present house?
A present house is a kind of thing that you draw first before you put...
It's a present. Right.
House.
House.
That's a... Wait. Even, do you know, even you make this, you can draw another present. Then, after you draw another present, you might do something up here, and then if you open it, it's a pocket. And then you make this kind of thing, then you put it on the top for a lid. Yeah, that's what I tried, but it doesn't work. It's not long enough. Well, oh, now come on, let's come. Bring my taxi.
No.
See? Now, here is my toys. I wonder, how could this go? Wait! Ooh! I want to play this one. Oh, my feet. Look. Now, I'll show you what. Do you know? Now, just come out and I'll show you something how to make. Come on.
Can you show everyone how to make a boat?
Also, wait, first I'll show them how to make the best plane.
All right,
Here.
cool.
So first you fold it in half this way. So this way, like a book. This way, going up. Then open up. Then, no. Like this.
Then fold it.
Then put it like this. That's the best plane. And this, put that on. Then you put it like this. So, like this, okay? You put it like this. So make sure it's very high because at the end, it might be quite hard. If it's quite hard, you can't do it much. Wait seconds. Maybe I'll do this way. Then this way. Then here we go. Then here, see? Ta-da! Now let's fold it up. Now, you just go like this.